Hello everyone and welcome back to the TechTab. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The next best flagship is just around the corner and it's set to make its grand entrance earlier this time. Hands-on photos have been leaked on social media and new reports say that it is expected to arrive in January 2024 rather than the usual timeline in February. This is a huge leak compared to other details. And let's start with the leaked hands-on photos of the S24 Ultra. These three photos have been leaked on X recently, and they are stunning. A page called David Martin posted these photos a few days back and recently confirmed, by the famous tipster Ice Universe, that this is the real S24 Ultra. The color of the device is titanium gold and looks almost like the predecessor Galaxy S23 Ultra. We can see the S Pen at the bottom like the S23 Ultra, and from the side perspective, we can see a matte finish in the frame. The frame is probably made out of titanium finish, as the name of the color said titanium gold. Leaked renders said that both the back and front have flat designs rather than curved like S23 Ultra, and now it has been confirmed with the hands-on photos. When it comes to the display, Ice Universe posted this on its X page recently, and we can see the symmetrical bezels around the display corner compared to the S22 Ultra. This means the Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to have the same design around the display, and this time it's going to be more beautiful than expected. According to TheElec from South Korea, Samsung is going to launch their S24 lineup on the 17th of January. This isn't the first time that date has emerged through the news, but until now we didn't know the exact sale date or pre-order days. According to this, Samsung will begin sales for the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra immediately after the launch. Furthermore, the report reveals that those who pre-order the devices will receive their handsets between January 26th to January 30th. The date isn't the only thing that is unusual about this unpacked event, because the same report from TheElec stated that Samsung is planning to do their Galaxy S24 series launch event in San Jose, California. Normally, Samsung holds its Galaxy Unpacked event in New York, but the Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event for the Galaxy S24 could be held in Apple's backyard. Maybe this is a great place to announce their on-device AI-assisted features, including a new universal assistant called Galaxy AI to compete with the iPhone. So let's hope this is going to be a mind-blowing Unpacked event for the start of 2024. Based on leaked photos, the S24 Ultra appears to retain the same design as its predecessor, but as we mentioned earlier, they might replace the 10x telephoto lens with a new 5x telephoto lens in the camera section. This is going to improve camera performances with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, with enhanced performance and numerous AI features for the entire Galaxy S24 series. That's it for today's video. Hope you like it. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.